Space, as is frequently said, is the final frontier of human exploration. Although it is the largest of them all, humanity already has a foot in the door. Everyone knows the basics of humanity's journey through the stars. Launch stuff into the sky, put stuff in orbit, and put people on the moon. What people frequently fail to consider is how important that stuff in orbit really is. The greatest example of this is the International Space Station, or ISS. The International Space Station is an important research base for humanity's journey in uncovering the secrets of space. It was created as a way for our species to conduct tests in orbit consistently and safely. The creation of the ISS is an important hallmark in human engineering and international cooperation, as it proves just how powerful human minds and achievements can be when united across international borders. It was created with cooperation in mind from the very beginning and is comprised of several modules from various space and research organizations. The station has many important achievements under its belt, and its contributions to science should not be understated. It has helped us understand the beginning of the universe, matter itself, and even more grounded concepts like muscular and skeletal atrophy. While it would be fun to wax poetic about space, the stars, and the glory of the cosmos, the most important part about the International Space Station is its actual purpose. The International Space Station is, first and foremost, a research station. NASA itself, in their June 2020 review on the origins of the ISS, stated that the original concept of the ISS came in a plan for a space station, quote, composed of 3 separate platforms to conduct microgravity research, Earth and celestial observations, and to serve as a transportation servicing node for space vehicles and satellites. The space station is an international cooperative effort to study gravity, or a lack thereof, and provide a launching point of sorts for future deep space or research missions. Having a centralized place multiple space organizations can launch out of provides a convenient, well-funded, and well-maintained place numerous missions can use as a way station or stopping point. Now imagine, if you would, a united Earth, a globe untainted by constant conflict and war, in which the people of the world work together to better themselves and uncover the secrets of the universe. Such a concept is not really possible, but the ISS represents an important cooperative effort for the more advanced space programs in the world. This cooperation is best depicted by the stage-by-stage construction of the station. The ISS is a cooperative effort between the space programs of the United States, Russian Federation, Canada, Japan, and the EU. The construction of the station was a module cooperative effort between these organizations. The initial 2 modules were launched by the US and Russia. The Russian Zarya module was the first one launched. The space station was initially formed when the follow-up US module Unity Node 1 combined with the Russian module in the atmosphere. One of the most recent modules added to the ISS is an alpha magnetic spectrometer, or AMS. This AMS is managed by an international committee and has vastly advanced human understanding on the origin of the universe and how it may have come to be in more detail. Through till now, I have touched on the importance of the ISS as a research station, as well as its potential as a uniter of international purpose. Perhaps most importantly, though, are the contributions the ISS has made to science. It's all well and good to talk about how important something is, but when no results are present, it becomes a pretty hard sell. The contributions the International Space Station has made are widespread. Not only do they encompass a vast spread of discoveries about space, but important discoveries about space range from not only understanding the human body in microgravity, but also an exploration of the elusive 5th state of matter, as the ISS is the first place that this 5th state of matter has been made in space. Research that has helped the people back home is also widespread. According to NASA's 20 breakthroughs from 20 years of science aboard the International Space Station, the ISS has made breakthroughs in muscular and skeletal atrophy, water purification systems, and even fundamental disease research about horrible illnesses like Alzheimer's. The International Space Station is an achievement demonstrating the heights humanity can achieve literally and figuratively. It's an important research base, it's an international achievement, and has already accomplished a lot for the sake of our species. It has proven several times that it has stayed true to its original purpose while expanding our potential understanding of space, as well as helping people back home. Space is an incredible thing. The absolute tremendous potential of the universe and the fact that there is so much we have yet to do in space is the reason I'm so passionate about learning involving the final frontier. People rarely look up and truly realize just how vast the stars are and just how much uncharted territory there is for us to discover as a species. The Earth is an incredibly tiny thing relative to the larger universe. The entire history of humanity represents about 0.015% the age of the universe. We are small and utterly insignificant to the vast, uncaring expanse of the cosmos. And despite this, we still dare place our constructs and research in the inky expanse of the universe. That's just how crazy humans are. The discoveries and potential of the ISS make it an incredibly important thing for both our history and our future, and an important topic to learn about for people of all walks of life. The Earth is a lush and beautiful thing, but it simply cannot compare to the vast and infinite potential of the universe.